G'day folks, how you going? BetaFPV X-Night 4-inch, really nice camera on it guys. No onboard recording, good range, ripper freestyle unit, really robust too. Bi-blade props makes it really nippy and super fun to fly. I've done a couple of reviews on this already. Text and specs are below, as well as where you get it from, plus all my other gear. So I'm not going to waste too much time. I'm going to take it straight up and let's have a rip around. Good to see you folks. Thanks heaps for stopping by. Oh. Yeah, I was going to get up in the sky. I plugged in my A54S and let me tell you, it was nothing short of New Year's Eve. Under the canopy there, basically exploded with a little mini nuclear explosion. There were flames, there was a hell of a lot of smoke. I pulled it out pretty quick. Yeah, I'm going to need to chuck her on the bench and see exactly what damage has been done, but clearly I have a short somewhere. I will dig deep inside and see what the problem was. Yeah, I'll let you know what happened to her, but she's fried, which is a pity because I love flying this thing. So we'll try and work out what actually went wrong with it. Off to the workbench we go. Oh dear. Looks pretty much like everything has exploded. Goodness me. Well, that is a mess. Not too sure what's salvageable. The antenna, the camera, my TBS receiver, the motors, but you can see all the wires off the VTX have basically just blown straight off the flight controller. Time to hit the PC and find some spares. Ripped all the wires out by themselves. I'm not too sure what condition the flight controller and camera in. Hopefully they're okay. I'm not too sure about the motors either. It's a fairly burnt looking crossfire receiver there. I'll need to test that, and more importantly, I'm not even going to bother to try and repair that flight controller. It's time to get onto my good friends at BetaFPV so I can get some spares. Time to fly the X-Night 4-inch. I have spared you the pain of my rebuild. I had to buy a new flight controller for my BetaFPV X-Night, which I've successfully installed. Luckily the VTX camera weren't burnt out, and I'm fairly certain the motors are pretty good. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what happened to it, but she sort of smoked, as you will see. Flight controllers can be quite dangerous, so if you do have a short, whatever you do, don't keep it powered up. You're going to start a fire. Let's throw that in the bin and let's put some props on and let's go for a fly with our new flight controller. G'day guys, Sky Pilot here, welcome to my channel. As always, I have my once smoked, now repaired X-Night 4-inch. This is the BetaFPV little cracker here. I did have a little malfunction recently where I basically fried the all-in-one flight controller to the point of there was a small explosion and fire. But not to be too concerned, I've put her back together again, and now I'm going to have a rip around with my 854S underneath and show you guys again how cool the VTX and the flight experience of this little 4-inch is. Links down below for this, text and specs below. I've done plenty of videos of this, so I won't talk about it too much other than to say, yeah, it is a really fun unit to fly. 3600 kV motors on this. She really rips along with the bi-blade props. Let's take her up. BetaFPV X-Night 4-inch TBS, what a ripper. Hopefully there's not going to be any smoking issues here today. Let's just go for a little fly around first, make sure everything's nice and tightly packed. And up we go. Yeah, 200 milliwatt VTX, pretty nice, really nice VTX on this, guys. You'll all agree, the colours, the clarity for an analog version, what an absolute cracker. Let's just have a little fly around and enjoy the views. I love flying this thing, guys. It's lots of fun. Real nippy little unit. Really nice to behold. VTX doesn't like the trees too much, which is understandable. And if you get yourself into trouble, you can have a quick punch and push yourself out. I don't think there's any branches there or there. Nope. Let's just do a little bit of a speed run past our spot here so you guys can have a listen to that motor. And there's someone just riding a bike behind me. I heard someone, but didn't know where they were. Always interesting. I can fly when there are people around. Where is he? There he is there. Yeah, one of the hazards, guys, of flying FPV by yourself is that You don't know if someone's going to sneak up on you like this person here did on their push bike. Anyway, flight time's looking pretty decent. Let's do that speed run like I was going to do a minute ago before I got interrupted. Okay, and off we go. Right, that didn't go well. I ditched it forward a little bit too hard. Be careful doing a speed run on angle mode. Let's try again, shall we? Have a listen to those motors. They sound pretty decent. Oh, is he back again, is he? I thought I could hear him. We're probably getting fairly low on power now, so 8:50 for us, guys. Yeah, fairly decent flight times from this for sure. Well, nearly 7 minutes, and I certainly haven't been taking it easy. Let's finish off with a bit of line of sight and a quick yarn. Well, yeah, it was fried once, but I am really happy to say she is running really, really nicely again. Yeah, about a 7-minute flight time. Could easily get 10 minutes from this, guys, with the 850 4S on the butt of the X-Night. Let us know your thoughts, drop us a comment, smash that thumb. Lots more to come, guys. Check out the other videos on my channel, much appreciated, and I'll see you guys at your place real soon. Take it easy, guys. Skypilot. Catch you later on. Bye for now.